Hello everyone, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Diecast Crow. Today we will unbox BMW X6 in scale 1 to 26. Um, this is uh, how it seems is really good model, but ToyPlace. I never heard for that brand before. I bought this car in Müller, so uh, let's stay tuned and let's see together what kind of cars models they do. So yeah, today we will unbox a BMW X6. Hello guys, hello and welcome to my channel. Now we are unboxing BMW X6. It's from our new manufacturer brand, new for me, but I don't know for you. And it's called ToyPlace. I bought this car in Müller in scale 1/26. So let's see. First, I have to admit this car is full of details, and it have some heaviness, you know. It's really heavy in my hand, so that's mean that this car is wonderful made and full of details. So let's start with the outside of car. As you can see, first I saw this silver plate, you know. Let's see, let's try to, yeah, this silver plate, and that means that they try to be more realistic. And look at those lines on car, so realistic. Car full of details. They have really good effort to make this car. And from behind, every single detail is seen. Also on top of the car, there's two, I don't know how to called on English, but as you can see, this car is really wonderful, really beautiful, and the sign is also as on original one. Okay, as you can see, the wheels, the plates on the wheels, and this is a rubber, amazingly good execute. They got they can move, you see. So if I show you like this, they can move. In front, the car was also realistic, very beautiful, made it, very good execute. So good job for now, really good job for now for manufacturer. Okay, most interesting things what we all waiting for is interior. So I will show you the engine. Amazing good execute. As you can see, everything is finished very good. You can see the engine, you can see other stuff inside. So this car is very wonderful made. Yeah, I'm not a good mechanic, but I can recognize some things over here. So from behind, this car also have a secret. You can also open this door for bunker, and look at inside. Is it great? Really great. Come on, this is a really beautiful car. Look at this. But that's not all. If we open the door, he got a sound. Look at this. Wonderful. But let's see interior of the car. Oh my god, it's full of good details. Look at this. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm so satisfied with this one. Okay, if I turn the wheel, yeah. So realistic. And I can show you this is really good investment. So guys, I recommend this car. I recommend this manufacturer brand, and trust me, if you buy this car, your money wasn't wasted. Wonderful. Must say, wonderful made. Great. This is a great car. This is a great car. So tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about this car. Tell me what you think about his interior, his exterior, everything about it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like and share. That's gonna help me. And stay tuned. In next video I will show you rest of the new arrivals from last week. Thank you very much, and now it's shoot out from top of the building.